Here's a quick tutorial on how to create sales flyers for a presentation. First, select the products to add to your presentation. Next, click the presentation icon to add products to list. Click Presentation to begin creating. Choose from Sales Flyer, Digital Flip Catalog, and PDF Catalog. Make your selection and click Next. Select your desired template and then click Next. Click Bulk Price Edit to view price customization. To customize pricing, select from the options here. To turn product features on and off, click Global Settings. Edit the product features that will appear on the sales flyer. For example, toggle feature off to remove from sales flyer. To add logo to sales flyer, click the Upload section in the top left corner. Select desired logo and click Open. Next, add title text to the sales flyer in the top right corner. Option 1. Drag and drop products into sales flyer. To auto-populate products, click Reset. Option 2, click Auto-Arrange to add all products to flyer at once. To view draft a flyer, click Preview Flyer. Next, click Generate Sales Flyer. Next, name your sales flyer. Click Create and Broadcast. Enter name from and email address to easily share sales flyer. Finally, click Send.